Hello students, in the previous video we learnt about criteria for similarity of triangles. With that knowledge we can solve exercise 2.3. So in that first sum is state which pairs of triangles in the given figures are similar. Write the similarity criterion used by you for answering the questions and also write the pairs of similar triangles in the symbolic form. So there are a few pair of triangles given. So we have to check whether the given pair of triangles are similar or not, and we have to write in the symbolic form. Symbol we know for similarity. So in that symbol we have to write. That's a question. So first problem is the picture you can see. This is the given diagram. So with this we have to check whether the two triangles are similar or not. Okay, given ABC and PQR, two triangles. So angle A equal to angle P. Okay, angle A equal to 60 degree, angle P equal to 60 degree. Then next one, angle B equal to 80 degree, angle Q equal to 80 degree. Angle C equal to 40 degree, angle R equal to 40 degree. So all three angles are equal. So therefore by AAA similarity criterion, triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. This is the symbol for similarity. Okay. So like this you have to represent. That's the answer. So we'll move to the second diagram. This is the given diagram. Okay. So with this we have to check whether the triangles are similar or not. So triangle ABC and QRP. Here you may think like PQR. Okay, P is on top, A is on top, like that you may think. But in order to bring similar, we have to check for the ratio of the sides. Okay, we have to find the ratio of the sides. See, suppose 3 is here, 6 is here. So 3 by 6 is 1 by 2. Then 2 is here, 4 is here. Then also you will get 1 by 2. Then 2.5 is here. It's double. 2.5 doubled means you will get 5. Then if you put the ratio, 1 by 2 will be there. So that's why I have written the triangle QRP. Okay, so Q when it is taken to this side, top, like this triangle. Okay, 2 when taken to top, and RP as the base. If we take, we can see the similarity. Okay, so BC by PR. Okay, BC by PR only we should take. Then only we can get the ratio as 1 by 2. Okay. Then AB by QR equal to 2 by 4 equal to 1 by 2. Then AC by PQ equal to 3 by 6 equal to 1 by 2. So all having the same answer 1 by 2. So that means they are similar. Okay. So we can say yes, similarity criterion, side. So three sides are similar. Okay, so the two triangles are similar. Third diagram. Okay, so triangle LMP and FED. This also very similar to the previous problem only. As it is where it is given, we should not take. We should check with the ratio. Okay, so which ratio if we take, we will get the same proportion. Okay, so it's given, the given data only it's written. Then MP by ED. MP is 2, ED is 4. So 2 by 4 is 1 by 2. Then PL and DF, that is 3 by 6 equal to 1 by 2. Then remaining what side is there? L, M and FE. That is 2.7 by 5. Okay. But that is not equal to 1 by 2. So two sides are proportion, but one side is not proportion. Then we can't say that these two triangles are similar. Okay. All three sides should be similar proportion. Then only we can say these two triangles as similar. These two triangles are not similar. Okay. Next problem, this is the given diagram. here you have to see, okay, MNL, this is first triangle, and QPR, okay, so it's taken like that. Here you can see 2.5 is one side and 5 is one side. In between these two sides, angle 70 degrees there. Here it is given 70 degree, and one side 5 and one side 10. Okay, so both the triangle angle is in between the two given sides. Okay, so that's why the triangle I have written QPR. Okay, here angle M is known, here angle Q is known, that's why I wrote QPR. Okay, so angle M equal to angle Q equal to 70 degree, MN equal to MN by QP equal to 2.5 by 5 equal to 1 by 2. Then ML by QR equal to 5 by 10 equal to 2 by 2, 1 by 2. So now one angle is known, that is equal, two sides which is enclosing the angle, that is also same. So SAS similarity criterion, we can say these two triangles are similar. Okay, so side angle side, SAS means side angle side, that angle should be enclosed between the two given sides, the sides which are proportional. Okay, then only we can say it is similar. The next diagram, this one, very similar to the previous problem, but one difference is there. See, 80 degrees here and the two sides are here. Okay, if this angle is given, then we can find out like the previous problem. But here the angle given is here, 80 degrees here, and the two given sides are here. Whereas in the second triangle, F is 80 degree, and the two adjacent sides are given. Okay, here not the two adjacent sides of this angle is given. Okay, so angle A equal to F equal to 80 degree. Okay, AB by FD is equal to 1 by 2 you will get, BC by EF equal to 1 by 2 you will get, but angle B and F are not equal. Okay, that's why angles between two sides are not equal. Hence, triangle ABC and triangle DEF are not similar. If this 80 degree is here means, then these two triangles are similar. Okay, sides are proportional, but angle is not equal. Okay, that's why these two triangles are not similar. Understood? Second problem, in the given figure, triangle ODC similar to triangle OBE, angle BOC equal to 125 degree and angle CDO equal to 70 degree. Find angle DOC, angle DCO and angle OAB. Okay, so three angles we have to find out from the given diagram also. Okay, so in this diagram, so this angle is this angle, okay, ODC, this angle is 70 degree. Okay, and this angle is 120 degree. These two angles are given. With this we have to find out three more angles. Okay, we see that this line DOB, this is a straight line. So in a straight line you will have 180 degree. Okay, so this is 120 degree. So we can say that angle DOC plus angle COB equal to 180 degree. So putting the value of angle COB, okay, COB, we will get 180 minus 125 equal to 55 degree. Okay, so what angle we found now is this one. Okay, this angle now we found out to be 55 degree. This angle is found out to be 55 degree. Okay, so this angle, okay, this 70 is this angle, don't confuse. So next slide. In triangle DOC, so sum of the three angles. Okay, so in the picture you can see. Okay, so diagram is here. So this triangle DOC, this triangle, two angles we know. This angle is 70 degree, this angle is 55 degree. Now only we found out. This angle alone we don't know. So this is what actually asked in the question. So sum of the three angles of triangle is 180 degree. So that's why we are doing the sum of the angles. So by that you will get angle DCO equal to 55 degree. Okay, 180 minus 125. Okay, so this how it came, 125 how it came, 70 plus 55. Okay, 70 plus 55, so that is these two angles, 70 and 55. Okay, so this is unknown. So sum of these you have to minus from 180. So if you do means you are getting 55 as this angle. So now this angle is found out to be 55. So this angle also 55. Okay. So these two triangles are similar. Which triangle? ODC, this triangle, and OBA, this triangle. So these two triangles are similar. It is already given in question. Okay. So corresponding angles are equal in similar triangles. For if two triangles are similar, then the corresponding angles will be equal. Okay. So by that we can find out that this 55, this OCD is there, no? This angle is equal to OAB. So this one, okay, this angle. So this angle will also be 55. So this angle is 55 means this angle will also be 55. So that's the answer. That's what I asked in the question. So that's the answer. Okay. So next problem. Diagonals AC and BD of a trapezium ABCD with AB parallel to DC intersect each other at point O. Using a similarity criterion of two triangles, show that OA by OC, okay, OA is here, okay, OA by OC is equal to OB by OD. This proportion are equal, we should show. That's what asked. Okay, so given, okay, in triangle DOC, this triangle, okay, DOC and BOA, this upper triangle, okay, in these two triangle AB parallel to CD. Okay, so alternate angles will be equal. So angle CDO, so this angle and this angle AOB, these two are equal. Okay, so since these two lines are parallel, so alternate interior angles will be equal. That's why I have marked so equal. These two angles are equal. So similarly, these two angles, okay, DCO and A, this angle, these two angles will also be equal. Okay. For the two triangles DOC and BOA, vertically opposite angles will be equal. So these two opposite angles, so vertically opposite angles will also be equal. This is also equal. So we found out, okay, AAA similarity criterion, all the three sides, angles are equal. Okay, just now we found out these two angles are equal and these two angles are equal and this angle is vertically opposite angles equal. So AAA criteria and these two triangles are similar. So similar triangle means the sides will be proportional, is it not? So we can write OA by OC equal to OB by OD. That's a proof we need. So these two triangles are similar. By that we are proving that those sides are proportional. AO by OC equal to OB by OD. Okay, hence the proof. Okay children, the remaining problems I will continue in the next video. Thank you.